Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. It's May 21, Wednesday. Let's start with Bitcoin on daily. At least we have volatility. We have some long setups as swing traders and we are nice in profit. Let's see what we have here. Yesterday, if you remember, I said if we don't see an EM, we don't short here. If you want to hedge, that's a different story. You have to know how to do it. But if you want to short here, you have location, you have some bearish divergence, but you don't have an EM. And seems like the market wants to push higher. Wants to take the all-time high. We are pretty damn close. $2,000 and we are there. Not even $2,000. Good morning, Stefan. So people, yeah, we love the technical analysis, but when you have a setup, when you know what you should do, and you don't have the last reason, you just wait. If you don't see an EM here, that means the market is strong and the market wants higher. So please wait for that EM. What we can play here, it's a nice SFU at 110, 109 in this area. But remember, it's just a setup. If the setup fails and the market wants higher, you get the fuck out and you wait for the next setup. I don't want to hear people, well, I shorted here and I'm still in the trade after another $10,000 higher. Okay? If you don't know how to play setups, if you are just an investor, stay the fuck out from trading, invest, and stay out from leverage, stay out from trading, stay out from short ideas and so on. Okay? Someone asked me, well, I have $10,000 and what I should do with them. I should do Capua 1, I should invest, what I should do with the money. Well, if you have the money, it's up to you because it's your money. But you have to learn first. If you want to be a trader, you have to learn first and trade and make money after that. So you can, I don't know, put more than 50% from your money in the investment, kind of a last chance challenge, part of the, we have the investment plan. Rest, keep them out, pay for Capua 1 or something similar, learn to trade, and then spend the money on trading. Don't start trading without knowing what you are doing. Okay? I hope the guy who asked me, it's in the chat here. I hope. If not, I'll have to answer him in the DM. I'm not a financial advisor, and he knows that. Okay, people. If the market is strong, respect the strength of the market, please. Yeah? We attempted here. Didn't work. Okay, we are waiting for a clear EM. Indicators. We had bearish divergence. We still have, but seeing RSI in the overbought area again, that's a sign of strength. OBV. We had a small divergence there. Sometimes the OBV will lag. The market will do the breakout and then the big volume will come. I saw that multiple times, especially when the market is trending. Yeah? Market is doing the breakout, the volume is staying behind, and after the breakout, other retest or somewhere in between, you see the big volume coming in. Okay, so on daily, don't fucking short without a clear setup. Even if I'll go on 4-hour chart. Let's go 4-hour chart just to show you. No EM. The market is pushing higher. This consolidation, this ugly price action where a lot of beginners lost a lot of money, all the money they made in the upside move. You can see it's a breakout. Well, no, it's not a breakout. Well, it is. And you can see we retested here and we are pushing higher. We are probably testing the all-time high in this London session. You can see we have $1,000 and we'll touch that level. We can play the SFU, but be careful. Okay, back on daily. Sorry about my voice, but I'm a bit cold. I don't know. My voice is just ugly this morning. Ethereum, it's still in the middle of nowhere. Yeah, you can hunt long ideas as, let's say, with Holy Grail or something on lower time frame. Yeah? Stefan attempted a couple of longs here. Not the best. It's still in the middle of nowhere. It's ugly to trade. That's why I didn't pay attention yesterday in the New York session. I don't want to see Ethereum. It's ugly. I prefer to focus on Bitcoin and other altcoins to hunt some ideas. It's exactly here, was exactly at 2,500 and could fuck around here for longer. And will stop me out, doesn't matter if I'm long or I'm short. So until we resolve this level, this consolidation, I'm not touching it. Because it's ugly. You can see it's consolidating. Look left. Did the same fucking thing last time in the past. Look what happened. Look how ugly it behaved. If you look left, the market will tell you what is probable to happen, Sebastian. Okay? Look left. Up and down, up and down. Fuck around, fuck around. Why I want to trade here? No, thank you. Resolve this level and then, okay, I know how to chase. I have the Holy Grail. I know how to short. I have the short reloads on. But here, nah. Okay. So Ethereum, similar. If you see Bitcoin going to all-time high, you can go on 5-minute chart and hunt a long idea with Holy Grail on Ethereum. Okay, so that's Ethereum. Let's take a look at Bitcoin dominance, which is in the same area as yesterday, testing 61.8 short. On 4-hour chart, you remember we said something about an EM. Well, we had a small one. It wasn't enough. We pushed higher. We still don't have an EM. So we still need to wait for an EM here. An EM will be the tell that altcoins have a chance. But, you know, we are not trading feelings. We are not trading what we think, our opinions. But I could smell the YAM here. Let's just wait for that YAM to happen, and then we'll discuss more. Maybe a bit higher, maybe here, but look at this price action. Just look at it. It's just trying to tell us that something. Okay? Morning, David. So, Bitcoin dominance, waiting for an EM. Ethereum versus Bitcoin. I need to go on daily at least. I could see an aggressive AB equals CD. We discussed this. Two scenarios here. Two scenarios. AB equals CD aggressive, which you'll point out in the 003. Look left and you'll see how important it is for Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Or we can break down here. For example, Bitcoin will accept above the all-time high and will push aggressively up. That will push this chart lower in the long reload zone. Maybe Ethereum will lag a little bit. And then Ethereum will recover after we'll touch the long reload zone. For the moment, well, looks like we'll do a W here. 12 hours probably we already have the double. Yeah, you can see we are trying to do the double here. But that means Bitcoin is strong, Ethereum will be even stronger. Could be? Yeah, it's possible. Go back on daily. Okay, let's take a look at CME. Well, nothing different on CME. You can see the market is trying to take the high. We'll do it today? Most probably yes. It's too damn close. Here is $2,000, exactly $2,000. On classic chart, it's $1,000. You don't want to short when you see CME above the classical price. Yeah, I told you, you want CME to be above when you're hunting long ideas. So, seeing CME stronger than classical price, that means you should not short yet. you don't have market structure, you don't have a good setup here. Next one, ES. Well, ES is in the short reload zone yesterday. Dalmud even said, well, look at that EM on lower time frame. We are consolidating. That doesn't mean we have an EM. We don't have an EM on daily. We are slowing down because we are close to $6,000. We are reaching the resistance. We'll accept and we'll do a V bottom. Well, as much as I like the short reload zone, as much as I like a better retest. Well, people, let's look left. You remember the 2021, 2022? Yeah. This was V bottom. This was kind of a V bottom, but let's say a retest. But remember this one. Small retest and bye-bye. We accepted above the high, we consolidated and we push higher. So we'll be lucky if we'll get another retest here in the middle of the area. Market is strong. I don't see any M. I don't want you to short. In the same time, people don't go and chase long ideas here. It's dangerous, it's ugly. But don't short if you are a position trader, for example, and you don't see any M. Or you don't have a clear setup. Okay? Just because, well, I have a potential or a confirmed bearish divergence on MACD. It's not enough. You have location, you need a better bearish divergence than MACD. You need RSI or OBV. And you need a structure, you need something. 4-hour chart, let's see. Not enough. Yeah, it's kind of a something there. It's slowing down, okay. But I don't know if it's enough. Yesterday, Dalmudi said something about DCM here in this area. Well, if you are a day trader, I think you can get something here. But look out, we already have support, strong support here. So I don't suggest you to, if you are a day trader, you can even activate the Holy Grail on this one because it's working. If you have a trend, Holy Grail is working. Let's go back on daily. So if you don't have a clear setup, people, please don't be too bearish here. It's tempting to call a top. It's really tempting to do that, but not with a clear setup. Okay, gold. Well, look at it. It's retesting. But let's take the structure. Let's think about the structure. We had a low, then we had a higher high. We accepted this higher high, then a higher low, then higher low, yes, a lower high, a lower low. You get the idea? We broke the structure here. So until we'll accept above $3,440 or even the high, we are still in a, let's say, correction mode. Let's not say bear market. It's not, or a downtrend. But classically, I'll call it a downtrend here already. Maybe I'm wrong. It's a bit too early to call it a downtrend. Let's put the channel. Okay. So you have the channel like this, and you have it like this, and you can see. Slowly we can dump. So I don't want you to hunt long ideas here. You had an opportunity here in the long reload zone on lower time frame, and that's it. We accepted DCM. If you draw a short reload zone all the way up from here to here, you can see you'll get close to the short reload zone again. Can you see it? Or if you want to draw only the last move, you're already in a short reload zone. But let's do it like this. This is the best one. So here we should wait. We should be extra careful. I'm not trading gold, people, so don't take me too serious. I'm just looking at the gold market for confluence, for crypto trading. I was trading gold in the past, but now I'm not trading it anymore. I'm waiting until the volatility is out from crypto. If I don't have anything to do in crypto, then I'll trade gold. Yes, forex. Why not? Okay, total market cap. Short relow zone, you can see it didn't aim out here. Like I said about total, we are not trading total market cap, but for me to be bearish here, I need a breakdown and a retest. Well, you can see it was a fake out, no clear EM, no confirmation, and now it's looking like wants to push higher. Higher where? In the all-time high. Pretty fast, pretty close. Total 3 lagging until we'll recover a little bit. Altcoins, shitcoins, still buyable, people. Still buyable. Look at them. This one, the YDX is at entry. ENA, not the best, but you can see here an AB equals CD forming. Yeah? A, B, C, D, and you can take this W. It's tradable if you know what you are doing. Mavia at entry. Peer a bit higher. Well, I don't know if I could frame a setup there. I have to trade it on 4-hour chart, and that could be a uptrend channel, and we're at the bottom of it, but nothing special. This one too late, sorry. We had the retest, it's aggressive, it's strong. If we'll retrace all the way back down here in the $7 area, maybe, but now don't long here, people. Why? Well, you had the move up, you had the breakdown with a clear EM, and now we are retesting that EM. Okay? Ren at the entry. I don't know. Some people still like it. Some people say, well, I will never touch it again. Up to you. Up to you. Now, if I'll put this one, let's see. Daily. Where is daily? Actually, I think I have spot. I had more trades. Yeah, exactly. So, this one is in profit. Trades we already posted. Trades we already framed, and we should be in profit now. So, this one is in profit. Nothing you can do there. SSV too late. But if you have it, then enjoy it. Come on, TradingView, do something. I could see an AB equals CD here, but it's dangerous. If you are a swing trader, okay, you can take that AB equals CD. Alt, somehow it's tradable. You can take the entire window of risk. Entry here, stop loss all the way down, because this is a big W. Okay? Cyber, why I have this one here? Anyway, Aevo at entry, GRT. We discussed this trade multiple times. It's close to the entry. DYDX we talked about. Arbitrum. Well, sorry people, if you took it, you are in profit now. Comp. You can see the W. You can see why I took this trade. Really nice and clean. It's lagging for the moment. Comp is lagging. Why? They had a listing a couple of weeks ago, and they had a pump and dump kind of idea. Why they pumped like this? A double, because they have limited supply, 10 million coins in total, and when a listing is showing off, or when you have some hype, it's a supply shock. You don't have supply, and the market will pump straight up. So if you play this one, be damn sure to put your take profit in the market, because something like this could happen again. ID, well, this is still doable. REN, we talked about. Ethereum, well. And this one, Ray, it's below entry. But in the same time, you can take this trade here if you want to take it. It's still doable. Okay. And I could go on the rest of the shit coins and do the same. Someone has a request, let's see. BMX. Let's take a look at BMX. Well, we had a trade, if you remember, an AB equals CD. Look at it. It's kind of hard to frame a setup here. It's difficult. But this trade is already played out. If I put 4-hour chart, well then yes. It's ugly, but you can attempt. Let's see if you have bullish divergence here. Yeah, we have bullish divergence in the indicators. Yeah, could be. If you take this swing low to swing high, you have a long reload zone here. Taking this double is kind of aggressive, but it's doable. Yeah. So it's doable. I prefer breakout and retest, but you can see it's trying to form a W, diamond pattern or something here. And if Bitcoin will pump, this one should probably go and test the highs from this month. After you get at 1-to-1 and you can make it risk-free, you don't have to worry about too much. I'll take this one? No. There are better looking charts out there. And I have a lot of exposure to the upside. A lot. So if the market is pumping, I'll select 1 or 2 setups. I'll trade that ones and I'll enjoy the show because my spot bags will pump. On some plans, I have the sell half on a double. That will hit automatically without me doing anything. And that, when I'll see the market pumping like crazy, I'll slow down, people. I'll not become more aggressive. I'll slow down in what sense? I prepared already for this scenario. So I have the sell half on a double. I have specific areas where I want to sell some to recover my money. And when the market is pumping, take 2 or 3 or 5 setups if you trust the coins and you see they are behaving nicely. Don't close the trades. Keep them because you'll make some profit. And enjoy the show. Put your hands under your ass and wait. Because if you want to trade everything, you will end up with less profit then. The best solution when the market is strong is don't close the trades you already have to open new ones. In my humble opinion. For example, I have TIA. Okay, I have Solana now. By the way, let's talk about that one. Let's go back here. So, we talked about Solana yesterday. You remember I said, well, I could see an AB equals CD. And usually I don't like Solana. I don't trade Solana too much. Look at it. I should close this trade now? No. This dip in profit was on 50-minute chart. We framed it here. The problem, you can see, after the live stream, we tested the lows. The lows hold, which is nice. I didn't thought that will hold, but you can see they holded the lows. And now you should be risk-free. Overall, risk to reward 5-to-1. I'll close some at the target and I'll trail the rest. Why I should hunt other setups when Solana I'm in from a better level and I can enjoy the show. No? Tao, if you remember, we discussed about Tao, 50-minute chart. Well, let's go on 1 hour because it's better. It's trying to get out from this downtrend channel. And if you see, I think you can see a W trying to form here from this top. Well, there you go. It's trying to form a W the other side of the trend line. Even entry here, if you see the Bitcoin pumping and stop loss here, could be aggressive, really aggressive, but it's up to you. I'll take it like this? Probably not. I have a nice spot bag on Tao. TIA. A stupid trader, similar like me, said about TIA 2 days ago. I'm still in the trade, people. I don't want to fuck around. If everything will pump, TIA will pump also. Why not? Well, that one was lagging, if I saw correctly. Let's take a futurist market. Well, look at it. There you go. There you go. Let's see what we have here. Not the... It's lagging, but for a day trade, it's working. It's working. Stefan, look at this. Look at this trade. This is a trade at the market to take it. So, entry here, stop loss here, and hunt all the way in the short reload zone from the top. Okay, let's do that. And while I'm framing, other people are taking the trades and I'm missing the opportunity. What's the window? 5. So excuse me for a couple of seconds, people. Don't laugh, Stefan. You know what I'm doing. Excuse me for 30 seconds. Yeah, done. Now I'm in the trade. Well, Bukur is already in. If he saw it, he's already in. So I took this trade. That's why I said let's wait a little bit, because I needed to take this trade. I like it. It's exactly without anything else. Just look at it. We accepted below. We SFU. We made a W. That's the best. It's bulletproof when no, I can go and take the lows and make another W and then push higher. But I think 6 to 1 is more than enough for me. So take it or leave it. It's up to you, people. I'll post it on premium already as a day trade. So thank you, Nore. Really nice. Well, you can do the same, people. Okay. Anything else we can trade? Let's add this one on this list for today. There you go. So we have TIA, we have Solana. Tao is looking nice. You can go on even on lower time frame for Tao and hunt with Holy Grail if you want. Okay. We have more requests. There's not such thing, Stefana, stealing the trade. After you posted, it's a free idea. When we see people taking our ideas and posting them on other communities, that's a different story. But I know you refer to Noure, but okay, people. No more requests. Let's take a look at Dex Screener shitcoins. Well, they're pumping. We had Grip in the long reload zone. We had it. It's above long reload zone now. Trying to pump there. Griffane. It's too strong in my view. Could do an aggressive AB equals CD here, but if you are long, hold it. Hold the position because it's nice. But new entries, I don't know. Alchemist. I told you that I managed to buy a big position here. I don't remember when and why. Why I get it, because we had a damn good location. But I forgot about it, and now I'm just waiting, and nothing I can do here. Arena? It's too late for Arena to buy it, in my opinion. If we'll come back down, we are getting close to the end of the month. So if you see it back at 0.7 cents, maybe 6 in the long reload zone here, you can try to buy it. Okay, someone said about Ondo. Again? Ondo as a day trade or Ondo as a swing trade or a position trade? Ondo. Similar. Long reload zone, let's just be aggressive and take the swing low, swing high. Okay, you have a W is trying to form here. Ugly W, but is there. Okay, bullish divergence on RSI, which is not bad. It's confirmed already, or is confirming now. Bullish divergence on MACD, which is not bad. If you think about an AB equals CD, yeah, you can take this entire thing from the entry, from the listing to here. Let me show you what I mean. Yeah, put an AB equals CD, AB, and you can take the first W here. And then CD, clone this one. If you see the market is strong, you can force it a little bit with an AB equals CD setup. There you go. Take the first W, and you have it now. Something like this. But remember, it's aggressive. It's not something normal people should do. Take profit all the way up here. It's almost 5 to 1. Why not? Because it's not coming back in the long reload zone anymore. So if you have a position, okay. If you don't have a position, you cannot chase there. It's hard to chase. But you should have a position already, Jade. No? Technically. Practically, I don't think you have, but technically, you asked about Griffin too many times, and I show you the long reload zone too many times and the W's, and you had the opportunity to buy it. Okay, so you want to be aggressive with Wando? You trust this one will do great things? AB equals CD, textbook setup. Similar. I'll take this one and I'll post it on premium. Swing trading this time. There you go. If Bitcoin will hold the level and will push higher and will be strong, will continue to I don't know, accept and stay above the all-time high, imagine that some altcoins will start pushing higher and higher. Okay. So taking this one, it's up to you. Is there. Taking Ondo, it's up to you. It's there. Let's, we have Ondo here? No. Let's put Ondo. I think we have Ondo button on the button spot. And there you go. Okay. Anything else? Okay, let's take Manus rune setup on 3 days. He wants to see an overview, and then let's call it a live stream. He said 3 days. Let's look at 3 days. 3 days, 1 week is too hard to chase it. Yeah, exactly, Sebastian. It is. Okay, what you can do here? I think weekly it's even better. Menace. Retest here. Retest at, I don't know, $1.5 will be the best. Chasing here. Dollar cost average maybe. Let's put your 3 days back. You have W's here. Okay, you have a lot of W's, but you need a retest. You want to chase here? No. You don't have a retest and you need one. Let's go on daily. Similar. On daily, you can, I don't know, thinking about an AB equals CD here on lower time frame. It's doable there. AB, something like this. Yeah. On 4-hour chart if you go. Clone this one. But as a position trader, it's a bit too high for me. And now let's go on 4-hour chart. And then let's zoom in. You have the W here, so it's a valid swing low. So let's take the high. Let's take the low. Let's put the, if we are between 33 and 66, yes we are. Kind of aggressive here. It's exactly at the limit. I want, initially I want the W below 33, but it's acceptable there. It's a bit aggressive, but clone this one. Come on. Put it here. Put a 25. I need it to be below 25 at least. There you go. So taking this W or a W here and targeting that area, it's a trade. It's a swing trade. For higher time frame, position trading, investing, position trading, no. But investing with a dollar cost average or little OLED is doable. Not the best, but doable. And instead, I see a setup, an aggressive AB equals CD. But probably I didn't have time to scan all the altcoins. Probably most of them are looking similar to this. If you prefer this one for a specific reason, it's up to you. Okay? Okay. I have 40 minutes talking by myself. I don't know if I give you any value. I think I did some ideas you have to assume responsibility for. Yeah, Ondo, Python, other trades. Okay? Even Rune, it's a good swing trade here. Well, I hope for couple one people I'll see a lot of setups. I'll see a lot of trades Friday. Now you cannot say you don't have setups to hunt. And you need to compensate for the time you didn't post. Jade, you are here? I saw you in the chat. Yesterday I missed your trades. No trade in the journal. You said, well, you have the plan now. Where are the setups? That's why we are in the practical part. By the way, we still have room to get more people in Capo 1. Not for long, not too many places, but if you are serious and consistent and you want to learn how to trade, then DM me. I'll ask you some questions, and if you fit to our perspective about our community and how you should behave, you can book a place. Okay, let's take Sui on 4-hour chart, Patel, and let's be the last one. Yes, what? It's too aggressive here to hunt long ideas. Could be similar. AB equals CD, but it's ugly. Ugly chart. Could pump? Okay, let it pump, but it's ugly. Just look at it. Small consolidation, flag up, but not as much as we want. We can do another AB equals CD here? Yes, we can. You have a nice window of risk? No. You can have, but no. I prefer to try something else, Patel. So I suggest you to watch Bitcoin. If you'll accept above the all-time high, let's go back on Bitcoin, because that's the main character for the moment. Okay, if we'll accept here above 110 and we'll stay above, the altcoins will pump. If for example Bitcoin will stay above 105 and below 110, that's still okay for altcoins. Yeah, we played the SFU, we made some money. This last time, you can see here on 1 hour. Long reload zone, we front run the long reload zone and we push higher. Kind of a AB equals CD. Here, well, it's kind of impossible for me to frame a trade here. It's too close to 110. But if you see the Bitcoin accepting here, then altcoins should pump. If you see an SFU here on lower time frame, play it. It's a damn good level to play a short SFU. But if you play the SFU and you'll be stopped out, don't try again until you'll finally call a top. It's dangerous to play against the trend. Okay, that being said, let's go and trade and make some money. I think I'll go on VIP and maybe Stefan will work for me this time. What do you say, Stefan? You'll work for me in the London session and find me some setups? Okay, that's good. So I have someone to give me some setups. That's Stefan. I'll just play Stefan setup. I'm joking. I have to play my setups, but I enjoy when Stefan is posting a setup. I could frame it similarly. Yeah. If you want to join VIP, there are 2 ways you can join VIP, because I get a lot of DMs, and I'll close the live stream with that. If you want to join VIP, besides that, beginning of the month from 1 to 5, that's the regular time, then we accept 50 people and we close. If you want to join and we still have places, you want to join in the middle of the month, either you pay for 3 months, 6 months, or if you join Capua 2, Stefan will accept you in Capua 2, then you get instant access on VIP. Okay? Simple as that. I hope I answered the question and nobody will DM me, or not too many people will DM me anymore about VIP. Regular time to pay for VIP for the next month, it's 1 to 5 every month. If we get 50 people in that period, well, we close until the next month. If we still have 1, 2, 3, 4 places left, then you can join. If you pay for 3 months, if you pay for 6. If you are joining Capua 2, doesn't matter if we reach the limit. Capua 2 will get instant access on VIP from the moment he pays. By the way, Capua 1, if you want to join in Capua 2, be careful because not too many places left. That being said, let's call it a live stream. See you guys on the same live stream tomorrow morning, or if you are premium, in the New Year session. No, only Tuesday it's for YouTube. Now he will go live streaming on Discord. On Discord, Manas. Okay. See you next time, people. Bye bye.